How's it going, everyone? Brandon Morey here, owner of Crepe CME, and welcome to our very first episode of Make It Yourself, a tutorial where we show you how to make the things that we make here. I honestly couldn't be more excited to do this. What did I just get the worst brain freeze of my life at the intro? That was our very own Hibiscus Mojito French soda. Now, what's a French soda? Think of a French soda as like a fizzy liquid creamsicle. I think that's a good description. It's got soda water, some sweet flavoring, and a little bit of heavy cream. It's one of the best things you could possibly, it's super refreshing on a hot summer day such as we've been having here in Midland. And we did a poll asking you guys, what should we show you how to make a latte, or should we show you how to make one of our French sodas? And I'm glad that you guys chose that because our French sodas are super easy. You can make them at home. Not that we don't want you to come here, we definitely do, but you can't always get here. We get it. So anyway, we thought we'd share the love. So let's get started.
So the ingredients you're going to need for this are hibiscus tea, simple syrup, half of a lime, 4 fresh mint leaves, 12 ounces of club soda or soda water, 1 ounce of heavy cream, ice, and super hot weather. Now to make the hibiscus syrup, you're going to want hibiscus tea. Go ahead and put a bag in a little cup and get 3 ounces of water steaming hot and pour it in there. You're going to want that to steep for a few minutes. Now we use loose leaf tea at the shop, but you can buy tea bags at pretty much any grocery store that sells tea. Once your tea has steeped, you're going to want to grab 3 ounces of simple syrup and just dump it in there and give it a good stir. And that is going to be your syrup base for your hibiscus Mojito French soda. Now go ahead and grab the glass that you're going to be putting the drink together in and dump that syrup right on in it. Now from there you're going to want to grab a lime and go ahead and roll that lime around the cutting board. Give it a good massage. Just remember that lime made the hard trip from Mexico all the way to here, stuffed in a box with all of his buddies, and he doesn't realize you're about to chop him in half. So treat them real nice before you do. Now grab your knife, go ahead and cut it in half. Put the other half off to the side. The half you're going to use, cut that into quarters. And then what you're going to want to do is squeeze each quarter right on into your cup. Now the purpose of rubbing is to break up all of the cells inside of the lime so you can get the maximum amount of juice out of it. Now one important thing to keep in mind is don't touch your eyes with lime juice all over them. Nothing worse than having stinging eyes while you're drinking a delicious drink. You can't see how beautiful it is. Once you have both quarters of the lime in there, go ahead and grab your stir stick and give your decadent concoction a nice gentle stir. Now it's time for the mint. So get that in your hand and rip it up a little bit and smack it. Like you want to smack your ex-boyfriend for being a jerk. Or if you have a muddler, you can muddle it too. Drop it in, give it a good stir. You're ready for the next step. So grab your soda water, pour it right on in there till it's about 3/4 full. Grab your ice, dump that in there, stir it, grab that heavy whipping cream, put that in there, and kind of stick that stick around in there so you get that nice gradient look to it. Grab some leftover mint and garnish that bad boy.
Look at that! That thing looks great! Oh man. Can't wait to drink it, but I am gonna wait to drink it because I still have a brain freeze from the last one. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making this film. Go ahead and hit that like button for us. Also, let us know the next thing you want us to make in the comments below. And Pending there's no secret ingredients that we can't tell you, pretty sure you can make it. We do believe that anything we make, you can make. So thank you once again, everybody. Hopefully we can make this a regular thing. This is fun for us. Hopefully it's fun for you. We love you guys. See you next time.
All these YouTube videos are making me thirsty. Server boy!
What?
Server boy!
What?
Bring me my Hibiscus Mojito French soda.
Dad, come on.
Just bring me my Hibiscus Mojito French soda.
Fine.
Hurry up!
Here.
Can't you see my hands are full? Don't just stand there awkwardly. Bring it to my mouth.
No, this is ridiculous.
Just bring it to my mouth. Come on. A little bit more.
No!
I'm telling your mother.